Hi, this video is about how to create a Facebook business page on your mobile phone. So if your mobile is the only device you have, or you just prefer to work on your mobile, this video is for you. My name's Anita, and if you would like to learn more about how to use Facebook as a business tool, then don't forget to smash that subscribe or follow button. Okay, so inside of Facebook, what you have to do is click the icon key which shows that you are you, and as you can see, this is me as a profile. So I want to make a business page, so just scroll down until you get to the Pages tab. Now you just need to press the Create button and it will say Create your page. So get started, and you need to name your page. So start off by naming your page. Okay, once you've named your page, click the Return button and press Next. Now you need to give it a category, so I'm going to put in video here, and then just look at what video options come up. Press Return so you can see all of them. Maybe I might do photography and videography, and then another one I'm going to do creator, see if anything comes up. So digital creator, let's do social media and see. Okay, so social media agency comes up, so maybe I might just do that for now. So once you've got your 3 categories, go ahead and click Create. Okay, so now Facebook has created your page, but let's finish setting up. So you want to put a general bio, and usually this is about 200 to 250 characters to describe the page. So okay, so I managed to get about 3 and a bit characters in there before it stopped me, so that's my bio for now. Content, you can add your website link in there. Email address. Phone number if you want it, I'm not going to add mine. Location, if you want to, you can put location. I'm just going to put London for now. City, postcode, I'm not even going to put either. You don't have to add these things in, you can leave them. Hours of work, I'm going to just put always open because this is my Facebook page, and I'm going to click Next. Okay, so now we want to customize our page. So we want to add that header image. So I created mine in Canva and I have it on my camera roll already. So I'm going to click that and upload it. Then they want you to put a profile picture. So again, they're going to do your camera roll, or you can choose to take a photograph. So let me just take a photograph, and then I'm just going to take this for now. That's going to add that as my profile picture. Of course, if you are a business and you have a logo, you can add your logo. If you're a personal brand, sometimes picture of you works really well. Scroll down to see if there's anything else needed, then click Next. So it will ask you if you want to connect WhatsApp to your page. So if you want to do that, you can. Otherwise, you can skip that for now and come back and do that later. So build your page audience, get your page growing by inviting friends. If you want to do that now, you can click that. Otherwise, just go ahead and click Next. Add your favourites to get started. So pages and profiles you follow as Anita. So you can also connect your own, or again, you can add some suggestions, or you can click Next. So now stay informed about your page. So yes, you want to turn that on so that if anyone comments, you want that, and find out about Meta's products and services. If you want to do that, keep that on. If not, turn it off and click Done. And then you can see there is my Facebook business page. Now, obviously it's going to give you a tour. I'm not going to do that for now. One thing I might add is that obviously the header image looks different on the mobile than it does on the desktop. So you will need to fiddle around with the writing and the position of those graphics if you want it to show up on the mobile as well as the desktop. So now all you need to do is start promoting your page, write a post on it, connect it up, do all the other things as well. Now, one thing to say once you're on your page is if you click the pencil at the top right, that's going to let you edit the profile, create an avatar, amend your cover photo, your bio, and your other details, add your hobbies, anything featured, and also edit your links if you want. If you click the three little dots here, you can actually go in and look at some other things. So you can edit your page like we just did. You can add an action button. Now here you can edit the button and you can choose any of these options so that you don't just have the messenger button. You can do all of these different things as you wish. Then come back again, go to archive, view as, activity log, page and tagging settings, review posts and tags, privacy center, invite friends, and here is your link. Now you can personalize this link by going to your desktop and personalizing it inside of your desktop. Also here you've got this dashboard option. This will allow you to see your stats, how to grow your audience, the performance of your page, the next steps of your page, how to join and grow your audience, ad center, monetization, page recommendations, and so on and so on. So that really was a quick, easy way to set up a Facebook page on your mobile phone. So if you have any questions, drop them below this video. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, give me the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to just hang around and watch my next videos as they pop up. I'll see you in the next video.